This is a quick video as we prepare the tiger for a long journey. Here is Mrs. Tiger showing the early preparation for the trip. The linens are stowed on the bed. The pantry has our food and our first aid kit. The first overhead is for her clothes. The refrigerator is cooling down so we can put in the perishables. The middle overhead is for miscellaneous items. The last overhead on the driver's side is for my clothes. Not a lot of room, but we managed to carry about 1 week's worth of clothes in the overheads before we had to find the laundromat, or things can start to get ugly. And what to show next? How about the Webasto diesel cooktop, which we always cover with a towel to prevent scratches. And yes, after sitting through the winter, the microwave still looks like it's working. Under the sink, we keep kitchen utensils and the remote controls to the TV and the radio. The drawer below, we keep plastic bags and cups. The large pull-out under the microwave, pots and pans, and our coffee maker that we bought in the 1970s. And it's still working. The long cabinet is for our ditty bags and a portable 12-volt fan, which has proven to be a lifesaver. The pull-out under the lock cabinet is for games and flashlights. What's wrong with the bathroom door? Yes, when the upper cabinet is open, the bathroom door cannot open fully, and it can be a disaster when there is an emergency. Passenger side upper rear is where we store our extra shoes and towels, as well as some charging devices for our electronics. The front passenger cabinet is all electronics. XM hookup, Wi-Fi booster, cell phone booster, and extra cables. That is our cell phone booster inside antenna. Inside the Tiger Den, I keep both truck batteries on a trickle charge all winter, and there is a switch inside the cab that allows the coach batteries to also benefit from this setup. Being that there is not much storage in the Tiger, we take advantage of any and all storage we can find. The back seats are folded up and the floor is flat, and here we store our dry goods, camp chairs, and other camping necessities. The Tiger sits with all of its windows open. As we continue to pack, the Tiger is plugged into a 30-amp outlet which I installed when the garage was built. You'll also notice a heater for this garage in the upper left-hand section of the screen. One last look at the Tiger before we start out on our journey. And as always, thank you for watching.